Hi guys, this is a room tour of the Westin Hotel Tokyo Suite. I think that's what it's called, but you will see it in the title anyway. We've been staying here for about 6 days, I think, and we have been enjoying it. I'm staying here with my husband and my 8-month-old son. So let's get to the tour. I'm gonna go right in front here and show you what you see when you first enter the room. So this is what you see when you first enter. It's very grand. As you can see, it's got like marbled flooring. I think this makes such a big difference. So this is how the door looks like. It's got many different gadgets there. So here I think you have the sort of mini closet or your coat closet. We didn't actually use this. It's summertime here, but I guess if it's winter time, it's very useful for you to hang your closet here. So just a huge space in there. And then here you have the guest bathroom. So in case you have guests coming in, visiting, or it's like a powder room that you could use. So it's very grand. The whole hotel is very, very grand in general. So you've got really nice lights, a nice mirror here, and let's see what's under here. It's just more storage. They've got these like really nice paintings all over. So you have the WC. This one is the normal WC, not the fancy like Japanese kind. Oh, it is the fancy Japanese kind. So you've got like different options there, and to flush as well. So it's a very, very spacious powder room. Here, back out here, you've got this tool here. This was actually in the master bedroom, but we put it here and we've put all our shopping there actually. So very nice area there. And then this is the first area of the living room, and then it extends out to there. So as you can see, the whole decor is very grand. It's very not old school, but yeah, it looks like a rich person's house. That's the best way I can describe it. So you've got this thing here. I think it's a coat hanger, and then a shoe horn, which my husband finds very useful. So it's a non-smoking room. I love the decor of this of the sofa there. It looks really, really nice. I like the shade and the color combination. So obviously this is just a nice place for you to hang out, have some tea or coffee, and then just, I usually get a little bit of work done there as well. And, here you've got a big ass TV. So don't know when I'm going to upload this, but the World Cup just ended, so we have been watching the World Cup here. It's a very, very big TV. Let me just show you the curtains. Also very, very grand. It just adds to the atmosphere of the room. So this is like you've got almost ceiling to floor windows, and this is the view you have. It's really, really pretty. So this is just the first window, and then down there is actually the Yabizu garden, which is really, really cool. It reminds me of Central Park, but I don't think it looks much more dense. But it's kind of like Central Park, where you have like the modern items here and then the nature over there. So that's just very cool. So this is Ebitsu, which is a very, very nice area to kind of chill in. So this is how it looks from this side here. So let me cover off the kitchenette area, which is here. Very, very useful for us because we make our son's meals and bottles and all that. So you have your usual amenities. We put all the bottles and stuff here, and then kettle and all those stuff. They don't have a lot of cutlery, I must say. The first night they gave us spoons and forks, but after that they kind of left, and then we've kind of been keeping this one fork to smash the potatoes. This might be of interest to some of you guys. Lots of nice little spirits right there. Got storage areas here. This is another storage area, and then you've got the mini fridge. Ours is stocked up with Coke because that's what we drink, and then we bought some juices and stuff over there. Here you have some snacks. What's in here? More storage. You do get like your typical coffee and all that. So this we bought for Mika-chan. Okay, so if you're traveling with a kid, you could ask, I would recommend getting like a baby chair here, just because it's easier for us to, give him food when he's on the high chair. Okay, so this is the grand dining area here. So really love the color combination of the chair. So we have we usually buy food back at night and then that's my dinner right there. We are packing, so apologies for the mess. This gorgeous bowl, we've used it to put our snacks and our chocolates. Room service just came with a bucket of ice. Nice. Okay, so where was I? I was in the dining room. Yeah, so we've used that as our like chocolate stand. These are all like extra chocolates that we're not going to bring home, so we're just going to keep that here. And this is the other like view that you get. So it's similar view, and at night it's really, really pretty actually. You've got lots of expensive looking, I don't know, looking vases. I don't even know what this is. Oh, you can open it, so they can't be that expensive, right, if you can open it. What's in here? Okay, it's just more storage. All right, so that's that. And then here you have a little bit of office area, which we use basically to keep our bottle warmer. So we bring this from home, and then some chocolates and stuff. Do you guys know that Shiseido has like cheesecake? This toaster was really cool. We ordered breakfast dining in this morning. Usually they would just bring like toasted bread, right? But they actually brought a freaking toaster up to the room so that we could have freshly toasted bread. This is the room, the entrance to the room. I really love this entrance. It reminds me of like a very expensive like penthouse or something. So you enter there, and then you have the bedroom. It looks like this. Hubby's packing at the moment. So again, very, very grand entrance right there. And then you've got a nice sofa, lots of sofas right there. And then you have a little baby. Is it a little baby? Does it come in the room? Mika-chan. Mika-chan. Okay, we are tiring him out. Hello. Okay, so this cot we asked specifically for it, but it's a standard cot that you usually get in the different hotels. Hi, darling. Okay, so wires and stuff, you get everything that you need. How come your Legos on the floor, darling? Did you throw your Legos on the floor? Boop. Okay, so this is good because you've got a USB port right there. And then just some shopping that we did, and lights and everything. The bed is a king size bed. One thing you need to note when you are in Tokyo is that a lot of the rooms actually come with double beds, because the culture here is they don't typically sleep together in the same bed. So it was difficult for us to get this particular room just because there was only one room, or a very, very selected rooms with the king size bed. A nice looking piece of furniture here, which is probably, what's in here? Oh, it's a TV. See, I didn't even notice. Okay, so we are going to go into here. This is kind of like a corridor, as you may. So it's kind of a 2 rooms type of thing. So let's talk about this. This is the walk-in closet. It's very, very useful. We just have all our stuff here, and we hung all our clothes. So it's very, very useful to get changed. Then you have a separate place just to put all your stuff. And then this is the bathroom. Very, very grand. We've got a nice mirror here. So as you enter, you have a cosmetics type of stand. I think this is a little bit awkwardly placed because there's no lighting here. So I usually do my makeup here, which is in the sink. So it's huge, right guys? Like it's a really, really huge room. I've already taken all the toiletries earlier, but they've replenished it. Also, really, really cool stuff that they give. Everything that you need, and shaving gel, and then you also even have this, which is like the, I don't know, I think it's like a bleach or something. This smells so good. This is the L'Occitane, I don't know, it's a perfume soap, but it smells so good. And all the shower gels and everything are L'Occitane, and they smell just really, really good. Got another WC here, which is the fancy one, so you just press and get cleaned. This is the shower, very spacious and everything. And then you've got this really nice bathtub, which Mika thoroughly enjoyed. So that's the room tour, guys. We have really enjoyed our stay here. If you have a family or if you want to have friends over, you basically need a big space, I highly recommend to get this room. And we have really enjoyed it to the max. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tour. We've got to pack now, and I've got to have my dinner and feed my baby before we fly out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, click on the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.